Jordan asked for his share of the money. He didn't want to wait. He was done living by his family's rules. With cash in hand, Jordan left home. He was chasing freedom, but walking away from everything that truly mattered. He partied, spent big, and made fake friends. The good times rolled until the money ran out. Broke and abandoned, Jordan sat alone. The city that once cheered now didn't even notice he existed. Desperate, he cleaned animal pens just to survive. He was so hungry, even pig food looked good. He hit rock bottom and finally realized his dad's workers lived better than this. It was time to go home. Worn and worried, Jordan began the long walk back. He didn't expect grace, just a second chance. But what he didn't know, his father had never stopped looking down that road, hoping he'd come home. One day the father saw him, dirty, limping, and small in the distance, but he knew that was his boy. The father ran to him, not with judgment, but with open arms and a heart full of love. Jordan started to apologize, but his dad embraced him. "You were lost. Now you're home." They threw a party, music, food, joy, because forgiveness is always a reason to celebrate. His older brother stood outside, angry. "Why does he get a party? I've been faithful." The father said, "You've always had me, but your brother was dead, and now he's alive again. No matter how far you go, God still waits. Grace isn't earned, it's given. You're still his child."